Welcome to Bridge Homes Englewood Florida lot on 204 Sunset Road, zip code 33947. It's a 10,000 square foot lot with sewer and water. We're near Little Gasparilla Island, Palm Island, Englewood beaches, and numerous golf courses. We have a brand new Englewood Park with skateboard park, tennis, basketball, and Olympic-sized swimming pool. And for you bikers and walkers, we have a 27-mile path that goes through Rotonda, and you can enjoy your day seeing all the wild, beautiful birds and nature of Florida. Call Gardner Dinsmore at 941-626-8200, and he will build your dream home here, or you can buy the lot separately. Thank you very much.